To improve your speaking skills, you need to be speaking and you also need feedback. That is why we have feedback on your spoken English, and I give this to you through your completed daily speaking challenges. So, we have a Facebook group. I'd love to show you this here, but I value the privacy of our members. I don't want to be showing you the completed speaking challenges because it's a safe place. Who knows who's watching this video at the moment, guys? But I really want you to not feel scared or shy that you're making a mistake or that you're speaking in English. In this Facebook group, it's a place for you to complete the daily speaking challenges, to stay consistent, to stay motivated by seeing other people completed their daily speaking challenges, and most importantly, to get feedback. Students who complete these daily speaking challenges, they see progress. It feels amazing when you look back at a completed speaking challenge you've done 30 days ago compared to what you've done yesterday. You are able to track your progress and see how much you've improved your pronunciation, your intonation, your tone, and simply clarity. A lot of students have had issues in the past being able to express ideas, to talk fast. These speaking challenges have been an opportunity for them to overcome this fear and simply just use the English that they know to answer these questions. I want you to feel like this as well. So when you join, you just hit record, answer that question for the day. Don't worry about making any mistakes. I'm there. Even if you say 10 words, 10 words is better than no words at all. Hit record, post your speaking challenge, and you'll get feedback. Feedback is important so that you can see your mistakes, you know what areas you need to work on, and just simply do the work. That's all for the speaking challenges. See you in the next video.